you doing, everybody? My name is Dan, and, I don't know what I'm doing here. These are some thingies. Yeah, these are some awesome little thingies with push and pull down, fire thingy, pull down, same thing here, pull down. Oh, this is so awesome. What am I doing here anyway? I don't know. My son said well, my grandson is into these things. I guess they're fire alarm. That's so cool. I don't know. What is cool anyway? I guess you're just supposed to pull them. Oh my god! Oh man, that's so loud! Oh my ears! Oh! Whoa! Ow! Whoa! That hurt. And I'm wearing ear protection. Oh my god. Oh. Sorry, folks. I didn't know I was supposed to do that. Wow. So this, you just pull it down, and this alarm right here sounds. Whoa. Oh, and this thing right here is blinking. I don't know why it's doing that, but whoa, that's loud. Well, I don't know this is that. So I'd get in here. What do you want? What is that thing right there? That's an alarm, Dad. Oh. I don't like this thing. I don't like that right there. The thing is scary. God. Oh. You know what? I don't know what I'm doing. Oops. That's my hand. Wow. That's so loud. Son, why are you into this stuff? Well, Dad, it's fun. Fun? You call this fun? Okay, I guess it is fun. Fun. Okay, guys, as you know, it's April Fool's, so I just decided to do a parody. Because why not? So, I hope you like my trying to do an old man voice. Pretty much. But, yeah. So, just a brief description of what alarms these are. This is my BG12. The one that does not have the push and pull down function. And the Wheelock AX. Yep. And it's set on medium volume continuous, if you guys didn't know. It was on high volume, but the thing is really loud. So, I guess that's it. So, I guess I'll see you guys later. Either when you request a system or not, but thanks for watching.